Imagine stepping into your Ford Bronco, ready for adventure, but something feels just a little bit more premium, more aggressive. This isn't just any steering wheel. It's a statement, promising to transform your rugged interior. We're talking about the TESFEEL Hydro-Dip Carbon Fiber Steering Wheel, specifically designed for the 2021 to 2025 Bronco models. And let me tell you, the first thing that hits you is that striking visual upgrade. The hydro-dipped carbon fiber has this incredible woven pattern with a glossy finish that just screams off-road ready, while adding a touch of modern luxury. It's not just about looks though. This wheel is engineered for a perfect, direct fit replacement. That means your OEM airbag, all your control buttons, and the wiring harness. They all transfer over seamlessly, preserving every bit of your factory integrity while giving you a bold, functional upgrade. Now, let's talk about the feel. The grips are crafted from hand-stitched perforated Napa leather, and honestly, it's a game changer. The perforations aren't just for show. They provide superior comfort and anti-slip performance, which is absolutely crucial whether you're navigating city streets or tackling a challenging trail. You feel a confident, secure connection to your vehicle, and that's something you truly appreciate on longer drives. The ergonomic D-shaped, flat-bottom design is another standout feature. It's not just a cool aesthetic. That flat bottom actually improves legroom, giving you a bit more space and enhancing driver mobility. This is especially noticeable in those tight, off-road situations, or even just getting in and out of your Bronco daily. The sculpted contours fit your hands like a glove, reducing fatigue and enhancing comfort, making both short errands and extended adventures much more enjoyable. And because this is for a Bronco, durability is paramount. TESFEEL built this wheel for tough conditions. It's engineered to resist scratches, fading, and general wear and tear from daily driving and those inevitable trail excursions. You want something that looks premium but can also take a beating, and this wheel promises long-lasting performance while maintaining its premium look and feel over time. It's reassuring to know it's not just a pretty face. Plus, TESFEEL backs this up with a solid 2-year warranty and 24-hour online support. If any quality issues pop up within the first year, they promise prompt, dedicated assistance, which definitely adds a layer of confidence to your purchase. Overall, if you're a Bronco owner looking to elevate your interior, enhance your driving experience, and add a touch of aggressive, modern style without compromising factory functionality, this TESFEEL steering wheel is an absolutely compelling upgrade. It's a fantastic blend of aesthetics, ergonomics, and rugged durability.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.